Hi, everyone. I have finally finished my first ever game created with the only AI, 100% vibe coding, all of the images, sound, all generated with the only AI tools. I'm very excited for this game. And in today's video, we're going to submit this game to Chroma Awards. So the Chroma Awards is the competition for the contents created by AI. So there is a film category, music video category, and games category. Today is the last day to submit, and I'm making this video very last minute. But here is the catch: $175,000 in cash prize. So why not? I made my first game, and the eligibility is that you have to make it with the only AI, which is exactly what I did. So let's see what my game is. This is my game, Vibe Survivor. This is similar to Vampire Survivor clone, but it has very unique tweak to it.
Chroma Awards game, Vibe Survivor.
See, this is the sound effect, all made by AI from ElevenLabs. I will get into how I made this game later in the video, but let's just check the game first. So the unique feature about my game, it has a dash button. So it makes it more like an action game. And then you choose the weapon. Oh, there he is. There you go. I made my merger weapon. Shock burst. Okay, Sentinel is coming. It's our next boss. Oh. So you have to dodge them really well. Oh. Yeah. I got this. Boss is coming. Oh, here it is. Oh no.
Game over. Try again.
Anyway, this is how far I made it. I feel like the boss number 7 seems impossible. I probably have to make some adjustment to the boss movement pattern. I hope that you can really enjoy this game. So, how did I make this game? So, I made this game with the mainly 2 tools. So, the first one is the Cloud Code. So, most of my games have been mainly at the beginning just using the Cloud Code. I've been making this game since, if I go back all the way down, September 18th. It took me exactly 2 months to make this game all the way. So this is a VS Code. I'm just using the VS Code for the JIT activity or code review. This game is made 100% vanilla JavaScript. I built this game as one-off side game within my home web page first. So it was created as just a web HTML game because the website was the HTML. And then later on, I decided to take that game out of the website, put it into its own hosting. So if you can see one of the main JavaScript file, Vibe Survival Game.js, this has around 13,000 code. All of them is created by AI, 100% vibe coding. It didn't take me one shot. It took me 2 months to make this game of many prompts and many of the actions by AI. Cloud Code is the main driver of making all of this game. And then the second tool that I used was the Codex CLI. So recently they came up with the GPT 5.1 Codex model. And this has been a game changer. Honestly, it uses much less token for any task. And I think it performs much better. I feel like I'm on the $20 plan for both Codex and Cloud Code. But Cloud Code using Sonnet 4.5 only, the usage is not as much as the OpenAI Codex. So what I usually do is I come up with the plan with the Cloud Code. I think Cloud Code is better on having conversation and creating the plan. And once I make the plan, I drop that plan to Codex, and then Codex can do the execution. And Codex is really good following the execution if the plan is amazing. Next tools that I use is the game sound effects, and the background music. All of them was created by ElevenLabs. There's a music section. This is my prompt to generate my game background music. Lo-fi with the syncs background music for retro 16-bit game in pixel art fighting waves of geometry enemies. Futuristic, neon light, theme, sci-fi, fast-paced, and sound effects. So these are the sound effects that I used. You can always create multiple versions with the one prompt, and then you can just keep prompting until you find what you like. And the visuals, all of those artworks are generated by the PixelLab. PixelLab has a creator tab. I drop the prompt on the left, and it generates all of the artwork in the pixel art style. I can put the size. I can also put the transparent background, and there it is. So these are the game icons that I have created. So there it is. Game that I have created for past 2 months using only AI. I do not know how to write a single line of code. I'm not coming from software developer background. I do supply chain in pharmaceutical industry, but I just wanted to make a game. So I got into the AI this year. I learned how to get used to with Cloud Code and Codex tools. And actually, I first started using the cursor, then I switched to Cloud Code later. That's how I learned AI coding. And this is how I have created my first game ever. And now I am submitting that game to Chroma Awards. Wish me a luck that I can at least get something out of this competition with my very first entry to any competition that I have never done before in the software, with the very first game that I have developed. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'll get back to you on next video with the result, hopefully with the good news. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.